Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use row-level formulas in reports on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Salesforce, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Salesforce, row-level formulas allow you to perform calculations or display data based on specific conditions for each row in a report. This feature is particularly useful when you need to derive new data points or perform calculations based on existing fields within your report. For us to be able to do that, I need you to hover to the... Now, here, I want you to go to the report section. If you haven't already, we might want to create a new report from scratch, and by clicking on the plus button here, we have a separate video on how to create a new report that you might want to check in our channel. So I'm not gonna show you how to add a new report here, but instead I'm gonna skip that part so that you would be, required to watch the adding new report or adding a report here on Salesforce. And by speaking of it, if you haven't already, just subscribe to our channel so you get one of our latest daily content. All right, we upload daily. Now, after that, once I have added the new report, the next thing that we are going to do is, now here I need you to click on the outline, and there's gonna be a drop-down menu here under columns. And once you find that, click on the add row level formula. What it does is you can rename the column name, maybe something like this one, and for the description. Now what we're going to do is to count the customers that's inside the accounts that we're currently working with. I'm gonna put in some formula here, just the basic, but of course you have certain formulas that you wanted. For example, you're a technical expert in Salesforce, you can do so and by clicking on apply. But for now for the decimals, it's up to you, but normally I'd like to set it as 0. All right, now you see there's going to be a lot of fields function in this section. When you click on account owner, now after putting an account number, for example, you can go to the functions and maybe like put in add lower date. You see there's going to be a information at the bottom for the fields and functions, but we're not going to do that. Instead, I need you to type in, I'm going to type in under account general, there's going to be an option that says type. All right, now you can click on insert. All right, so there's going to be a type here. We are just going to, now what we're going to look for is to get an easy to sum up that column and give us a total count of those customers. And to add this, I need you to go to the functions and search for the if. Okay, now when you click on if, there's going to be an information at the bottom where it says if logical test, and the value is true, and if the value of if is false. All right, I want you to click on it. So this is going to be the simple row level formula column that we can add to our report. Now, then after that, all I'm going to do is click on apply. And that's how you use row level formulas in Salesforce reports. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.